everything we do is the world's God and idol. How does that work? I thought it was it. And then, obviously, the very short, our president, ADC, preaching the things that we do. So I want to say, young people, continue gathering us at this time. These are the young people who take a cue from what we do, what we have, what we do. Without belaboring the point, I just want to express my joy that our youth are engaged in community service, supporting the less privileged in our society. And practice of that is that they will be people in need at all times. Thank you for what you saw at the end. You were suffering, but you started by explaining that in the office. I think it's down there. Right? So that's that. I'm encouraged, and I want to affirm that the right sports